Okay, to create a radiused Dreadnought guitar top, first thing we need, of course, is our Dreadnought shape. Okay, on a flat plane, just on a this one's on the top plane, like that. Okay, once we have that, we're going to then create an arc that's connected. Ignore this, there's two arcs here, but we really only care about the bottom one in this case. So we're going to connect that arc to one end of the Dreadnought and to the top on its center line. Okay. Then we're going to create a plane on path. Okay, so let's edit that plane so you can see what that looks like. So the path is that arc we created, that lower one that's connected to the actual Dreadnought shape. Okay. Cancel that. And then we want to create another arc in the opposite direction, going laterally this way. Whatever you want, I'm not sure, laterally, whatever, but across the bottom, or the top of the Dreadnought body. So that looks like this. Okay, so it's this arc right here. And again, that's created at the same radius, 336 inches, 28 feet. That can be whatever you need it to be. Okay. And once you have that, then we're going to sweep on path. Sketch. So we'll create a sweep. That sweep looks like this. So we selected our profile as the arc on the end, and our path is the arc we created going through the length of the body. And we turn that on, and that creates this rectangular shape that is radiused. I don't know if you can see that in the video here, but it is. It's radiused all the way around in the middle. The problem with pivoting on a center point is that you'll get a little knob there when you go to cut it or carve it. If you're carving it, if you're not carving it, it won't really matter. But in this case, it gives you a perfect shape that's radiused. And then once I have that shape, now, oh, and I didn't mention that I'm doing this with surface tools, not solid tools. So this shape is a surface. It is not a solid body yet. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is cut out the Dreadnought shape using a split face. So this is our split face. I selected my face to split as my rectangle, my radiused rectangle, and the splitting tool is the shape of the Dreadnought. Okay, and now, so what now I have is two surface bodies right here. And so I'm going to delete the outside one, and that leaves just my radiused top. And then last thing I need to do is just convert it into a solid using a thickness tool. The thickness tool in the surface tools. Thicken, and thicken it to whatever thickness I want. In my case, it's this is all parameter driven. My thickness is probably 0.125 if I'm not mistaken. Once I do that, then I have a radius top. And that's it.